Excel Church are now offering a service where we can give you advice and guidance through our helpline. So if you'd like to just talk to someone or get some general information about things, then you can call us up on this number that will come on the screen. And you can call us every Wednesday and Tuesday from 10 AM till 12 PM. So in that window, you can give us a call and someone will be here to talk to you.
Join the triumph of the skies with angelic hosts proclaim Christ is born in Bethlehem.
Guys, there is lots happening this Christmas, and on Sunday the 20th of December we have got an exciting thing happening on the evening, but I can't tell you any more than that. So watch out for our social media this week because we're going to be posting some clues about what will be happening. Now on the morning at 11 AM our online service will not be happening, but don't panic. This is because we want to give you the opportunity to watch the production by Saltmine Theatre Company called Hark, a Nativity Story. It's got original music, it's going to be epic. So we want to give you that opportunity to tune in with the details that we can give you. So if you want those, just let us know. So here's a little trailer for you.
Listen, can you hear it? Listen, can you hear it? Listen, can you hear it? Something's coming now. Listen, can you hear it? Listen, can you hear it? Something's coming now. Listen, can you hear it? Listen, can you hear it? Something's coming now. Listen, can you hear it? Listen, can you hear it? Something's coming. Something's coming. Something's coming. The herald angels.
So on Wednesday the 23rd, there's not going to be a Connect group or a Bible study, but this is because we are going to go caroling for some of our senior members, and we're going to go to different people's homes, stand outside, and we're going to sing. So if you would like to be part of one of these choirs, we're going to do it in a rule of 6, so 6 people to a group. If you would like to be part of one of those groups, then you can sign up and get more information via our website or via Church Suite. So get practicing.
Proclaim Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark, the herald angels sing glory to the newborn.
Sunday evening physical services are back. With the government lifting restrictions slightly, it means we're allowed to meet back in the building. But we do still have some restrictions in place to keep you safe and us safe. So you can come on a Sunday evening at 6 PM or 7:15, but spaces are limited because it is only 30 people per service. So you can sign up on Church Suite or through our website. You can come through this door and we've got it all COVID safely secure for you. So you can come on a Sunday evening to be back with people and with God in the building so we can worship together. Roger that. Guys, I've just had some news in. Although we can't do Christmas as we usually do it this year, we're moving it to Zoom, and guess who's going to be there? Santa. So you better get ready, kids. If you're aged 4 to 11, you need to join us on Saturday the 19th of December at 11 AM via Zoom. We're going to be delivering you a special party pack ahead of time, but you've got to sign up. So make sure you sign up via Church Suite or our website, and you can sign up before Saturday the 12th of December. So get in, guys. We're going to have fun, games, and even a visit from Santa.
Heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness, light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in.
Guys, Christmas Eve is coming, and it's going to be bigger and better than ever because we have got a kids stream special at 6 PM where Santa's going to be stopping by to answer some of your questions live. This is then going to be followed by an online carol service at 7 PM. So you'll also get to see our socially distanced nativity play. So guys, we'll see you there on Christmas Eve.
Angels sing glory to the newborn King. Yeah. Oh.
So there's no prayer and Bible study this week on Wednesday. However, that's because our AGM is happening. So if you're a partner, make sure you show up. That's all for XL News. Have a great week, guys.